If you're stuck in an endless loop on the MEXC app and it keeps telling you to update even though you have already done it, here is the fastest way to solve this problem. This error happens when the app gets confused and doesn't recognize that it's on the latest version. The solution is to clear its memory. Here's how to do it. First, you need to force stop the app and clear the cache. On an Android phone, go to your phone setting, then go apps, find MEXC and select storage and cache. From there, tap clear cache. On an iPhone, you'll need to go to your iPhone settings, then general, then iPhone storage, find MEXC on the list and select offload app. This will clear the cache without deleting your documents. After you've done that, go back to your app store and check one more time to make sure there are no new updates. If the error is still there, your final step is a full reinstall. Delete the MEX app from your phone entirely and then re-download it from your app store. This will give you a complete clean fresh version. If a clean reinstall still doesn't work, the issue is on MEX's side and you'll have to wait for them to fix it.